Do you love the idea of buried treasure? Located near Queensland's Mount Surprise, the award-winning Gem Den is a unique gemstone business featuring a shop cafe and post office with a gem fossicking tour element. Built over 13 years, the Gem Den is a growing business that draws tour groups, school groups and adventurous travellers who want to try their hand at fossicking for gems. The hands-on nature of the business has resulted in word-of-mouth recommendations and even a local Best Business Tourism Award. The tours are a hit with visitors in the winter months, with seasonal helpers regularly brought on board to cope with the high demand. A well-stocked gem shop sells a variety of gemstones and jewellery, as well as fossicking gear. Customers purchase gifts, souvenirs, and even that special something for themselves. This shop has potential to be a general store, news agency, or pharmacy. As the only fossicking business with a mining claim in far north Queensland, the Gem Den is a sought-after tourist destination with little competition. The shop area is complemented by a cafe, which serves meals and refreshments to travellers seeking a break after a busy day out enjoying all the wonders of the region, as Mount Surprise is a hub where you can explore many natural features. Locally painted murals depicting life in the area are another attraction. The cafe stocks a range of cool drinks and snacks, as well as meals and beverages made to order. Visitors can also stock up with supplies before travelling on. The shop brims with a variety of gem-themed items for purchase. There's something to suit everyone from the novice to the experienced fossicker, or even just those with an eye for jewellery. Everywhere there is an opportunity to fossick for gems. Customers even try their hand at fossicking in the business's outdoor areas. Plenty for all the family to do and enjoy. A handy on-site post office lets visitors post their purchases home or even send a postcard. Full training will be offered for all employees, but in particular for post office employees. There is a guaranteed income from the post office before you even sell a stamp. With seating capacity for 35, the cafe is an excellent lunch spot for large groups of customers who have travelled by bus. A vacant 3/4 acre block on the premises offers potential for development, whether for accommodations for fossickers or to meet demand from the local mining business or even to build your own home. With its retail, fossicking tour and potential development income streams, this property offers plenty for the business owner who enjoys meeting new people. Best of all, with its attached owner's accommodations, this business lets you work from the comfort of your own home.